Welcome to another exciting tutorial where you would learn to build a live streaming application using React and ZEGOCLOUD. And guess what? We are building this in less than 30 minutes. By the end of this video, you will build a fully functional live streaming application, all powered by ZEGOCLOUD. ZegoCloud is an all-in-one toolkit for adding video calls, voice call, live streaming, AI effects, pure AI audio engine, digital human, cloud recording, in-app chat, superboard to your web and mobile apps, all with just few lines of code. It provides solutions to industries like socials, education, telehealth, e-commerce, and fitness. It allows you to build a real-time app with voice, video, and chat API, and it handles all the complex stuff like web RTC, media servers, and real-time connection, and gives you an API and SDK that just works perfectly well. And the best part, you can integrate it with seamlessly with React JS, and it's perfect for developers like you who want to build features without headache. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a live streaming application using React and ZegoCloud kits, and we would have a fully functional live streaming application running in less than 30 minutes. These are several programming languages and framework that you can integrate the ZegoCloud API with. It's a robust platform that is backed by proven security, and it's very easy to use and is trusted by over 4,000 businesses. Without further ado, let's get started. So first, you need to visit the official website, ZEGOCLOUD.com. Once you're on this website, click on sign up, and it will lead you to the sign up page where you have to create your account. You enter your first name, last name, select your country or region, your work email, enter your password, then check box these two. Then you can now get your source code. Okay, and once you create an account, you can start your free trials. And the best part is you get 10,000 free minutes on free trials. So once you create your account, it will lead you to the dashboard. So I'm going to log in my account now because I have an existing account. Once you're on this dashboard, click on create your project. So now you're going to select a use case for your app. We're building a live streaming application. So I'm going to select live streaming application. They have several projects that you can work on. Voice and video call, I've already done that. Please check my page if you want to learn how to build the video call application using React and ZegoCloud. We have the video conference, we have live audio room, in-app chats, customized app, live shopping, one-on-one tutoring, telehealth, game streaming, watch together, and online karaoke. This is just for live streaming application that we're building right now. Okay, so once you select live streaming app, then you're going to click on next. So you're going to name your project. I'm going to name it Zuli Live Stream. Okay, once we have the name, we're going to select the UI kits. I'm going to click on this button, start with UI kits. And now you're going to click on for web because we're building for web application. And now this is what is going to look like, the live streaming app. Okay, so let me cancel this. Now I'm going to click on save and start to integrate. Okay, now it's going to lead you to this page to run your web. Okay, so right now you're going to click on project management. And then in your project, you're going to select the project that you just built. And right here, you're going to have your app, the project name, the app ID, the status, your region, time, server secret, app sign, callback secret, and every other secret key that you need. Do not share your app ID and server secret with no one. It's unique to you. Okay, so mine is actually blur, but we're going to need it later. So now click on view guide. Then you click on quick starts, and we're going to be using the npm package. Okay, so right here, first off, we need to install the SDK, then we initialize it. Okay, so this is the line of code that we need. Has already been pre-built for us. Okay, so now let's create our React project. Then we're now going to integrate the ZegoCloud API into our project. So you're going to open your code editor, then you navigate to terminal, click on new terminal. We're going to create our project folder on the terminal. So first, change directory to desktop. I'm going to be using the git bash. So I'm going to change directory to desktop. Then I'm going to create my React project on the terminal. So we're going to run this npm create vit at latest live stream ZEGOCLOUD template React. Then you press enter. Ensure that you're connected to the internet. Then you change directory to the project that you just built, live stream ZEGOCLOUD. Press enter, and then you're going to type npm install. Press enter as well. Now that we've successfully installed React, we're going to type in code space full stop. Then you press enter. This is going to open our project folder in a new window in VS Code. Okay, so we're going to close the previous folder and enlarge this now. So this is our React app. Now navigate to terminal, click on new terminal. We have our source folder, we have everything perfectly well here. I'm going to be using git bash. Then we're going to start our server, npm run dev. Press enter as well. And right here, you're going to get the link to view your React app in local browser. Hover on it, click on follow link. And you can see this is our React app. This is the default React app and it's working perfectly well. So right here in my app.gsx, I'm going to try and make changes. Where we have Vite plus React, I'm going to type in subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we have changes here. Subscribe to my channel. This is another reminder. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Now let's work on the cleanup. Delete everything that we have here. Ctrl A, delete, REFC, and then you press enter. So I'm using REFC as a shortcut to create React snippets. If you do not have this extension, EX7 React Redux React Native extension, please do well to install the extension so that you can use that shortcut as well to create React snippets. And I'm going to delete my app.css because I'm not going to need it in this tutorial. And for our index.css as well, Ctrl A, delete it all. For the entire project, we're going to set the margin to 0 and the padding to 0 as well. Box sizing, border box. And now the next step is integrating our ZEGOCLOUD API for building a live streaming application. So we're going to head back here. And now first step is to install the SDK. So I'm going to copy this line of code and I'm going to paste it on my terminal. So here I'm going to stop this server, Ctrl C, and I'm going to paste what I just copied right here. So while this is installing, now head back here. Then I'm going to initialize the SDK. First, we need to generate the kit token, which is the app ID and the server secrets, which is right here. Okay. So now we're integrating into React. There is for Next.js, there's for Angular, there's for Vue. They offer several services. Okay. So I'm going to copy this for React, and I'm just going to head over to my app.gsx, Ctrl A, Ctrl V. I'm going to paste everything that I have here into it. Okay. Now, the next thing you need to look out for is there's a comment here, generate kit token, right? You need to get your app ID and your server secrets. They are empty right now, so you're going to get it right here. So I'm going to copy my app ID and I'm going to paste it right here. And I'll do the same, copy my server secrets. And I'm going to paste it as well. Okay. Now that we have our app ID and server secrets, we're going to restart our server, npm run dev. Click on follow link. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, right now my camera is turned off. The microphone is working perfectly well. You can see, you can name this. This is the link to share. You can join as a co-host, the link to share to your co-host, and also the link to share to your audience. They've provided the link to share as a co-host to your co-host, and also the link to share as an audience. So I'm going to turn on my camera now, and this is what it looks like. The mic is on. There are several settings. Okay, for both audio and video. So now I'm going to change this to Zuli Live. Okay, then I'll click on join. Okay, you can see perfectly well. I'm going to turn off the camera now. Okay, so you can turn off the microphone, you can turn off your camera, you can turn on the microphone. Okay, you can leave the room, you can change the layout, the settings. Okay, before you go live, right? And then this is where you're going to get the link to share with your co-host or to join to share with your audience. Okay, so I'm going to copy the audience link. So right here as well, you're going to see the people that are in the room. And then we have the message room as well. So I've copied the link to join as an audience. So I'm just going to come here, paste that link here. Okay, I'm going to name this audience Honey. Okay, then I'll click on join. The live has not started yet, right? Because I'm yet to click on go live. Okay, so we have one audience in the room, and you can see it right here that we have Honey here, and this is me conducting the live. Okay, so I'm just going to click on go live now. There's a timer, 3, 2, 1, then you start live streaming, and right here you can see that the audience can see that Zuli is live. Okay, so this is basically how it works. You can share the link to as many people as possible. You can turn off the microphone, turn on your camera, turn it off any way you like it, and you can share link to your co-host. You can also share link to your audience. Okay, and we've built this in less than 30 minutes. Right, so we've built this using ZEGOCLOUD. All right, guys, thank you for watching. See you on the next one.